In this video, I will show you how to log out from your Facebook account. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. To log out of your Facebook account from a specific device, click on the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. You'll be taken to the menu page where you can see different options and settings for your Facebook account. Scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see the Logout option. Click on that option. You'll be asked if you want to log out from your Facebook account. Click Logout. You will be logged out or signed out of your Facebook account on your current device. But what if you forgot to log out from someone else's computer or phone? Here is how to remove your Facebook account from other devices using your current device. To do this, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. On the menu page, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open your Facebook account settings. Click on See More in Account Center. Find the Password and Security option and click on it. In this section, click on where you're logged in. Then select the Facebook or Instagram account you want to remove from another device. You will see all the other devices you are logged into with that particular Facebook account. Click on Select Devices to log out and check the devices you want to remove your Facebook account from. Then click the Logout option, and that's it. That's how you can log out from Facebook on your device or remove your Facebook account from other devices. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech guides.